No, it's
I like the
I forgot. I have the full description of it, the weight and everything. I thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter, but
yeah.
it's alright.
Oh wow, that's pretty heavy.
Yeah. Cause what I'm wondering is these are mufflers, right?
Yeah, I think they're like either resonator.
And then this should be a resonator.
The resonator.
Yeah, because what I was thinking was...
But that's a good size, like,
yeah.
Fucking the stock ones are enormous.
Because what I was thinking about installing, I feel like it's not that loud.
Yeah.
Taking this one off and just piping it.
Yeah, you can hella do that. I hella thought it was gonna be like this big.
Yeah.
I was like, it's not gonna fit in this one's car and shit.
Yeah.
This would have hella fit in your car.
Yeah, it's just in the pictures, I guess.
Yeah, it looks a little big.
Yeah.
Dude, I think it's clean.
For sure.
Dude, it looks so like narrow.
Yeah, it looks a little small.
Like, I'm trying to remember how wide your car is from the back.
I don't know. Hopefully I got the right one. Snow on it. So we gotta unbolt this one right there and the one on this side as well. So there's two of them. And then we can come up from right there. He's doing the muffler part. We took both bulbs off. That one and this one right there. And we got a jack on the resonator so it won't fall on. Alright, I'm gonna start the car with no exhaust.
Tell me where you're gonna go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, what the fuck? It's like locked. Okay, there we go. I had it locked. Alright, ready? Holy shit, this is so loud.
I want to get one of those. Do I just your story or what?
Post it to my story.
Dude. Oh. Wait.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Dude.
Damn, that is crazy. Damn, so that's how it looks like without it.
I don't know how well this angle is.
Installed it already. Right there is a tip. I think I'm just leaving it like that. I might tilt it a little bit later. It does have the tilting stuff. And I'm just gonna do a cold start. Quotations around cold start. Alright. Garrett. Dun dun. Get some wings. Got some wings and mozzarella sticks. Is it an engine? You wanna park like right there?
Oh.
I think like so there'll be more echo. Yeah. Yeah, or like a little bit further down. Alright, rev it. One more time. One more time. One more time. Alright, we should get out of here before we get kicked out.
Yeah, I just don't know how to rev it good.